Okay guys, you are welcome back to my channel, and today I want to discuss about side navigation bar. Now imagine this particular workbook. The bottom of this particular workbook, I have my tabs here. Up to 7 tabs are running under this workbook, and imagine I have up to 20 tabs of this at the base of my workbook, and I have to work on all these tabs simultaneously. Like I have the sales tab here, the employee, the company profit. Now supposing I have up to 20 of them lined up at the bottom of this workbook. So scrolling up and down, it will be a whole lot of stress for me, and in addition to that, I will be losing a great amount of time. So why can't I have something on my workbook here whereby the moment I click on that link, it will take me to any page of my choice. So supposing I click on a particular link, it takes me automatically to the laptop sales page. I click on another link, it takes me here. So that is basically what I want to create here today. So this this is the list of the title of all the pages I'm having here. This is the laptop sales here, the sales here, the employee data page, company profit, and all the rest of them. So I'm going to shift this thing to the front here. Okay, so this is a table of contents. So I want to create the navigation bar now. So this is my table of contents. Let me adjust this one to this side. Okay, so I've come to laptop sales. Click on laptop sales and then click Ctrl K. Then another option is the moment you select your laptop sales, you can right click. That's if you are using a WPS, then you click on link. Ctrl K, link. Then if you are using a normal Excel sheet, when you right click, you will see hyperlink. You click on hyperlink. Then you come here to place in this document. Then you click laptop sales, click OK. You come to sales, you do the same thing, Ctrl K, OK. Then you come to employee data, Ctrl K. Then company profit, Ctrl K. Hospital data, same thing. And then the last one, the agro business. So this table of content is done. Now the moment I click on any of these page title, it will take me automatically to that page title. Laptop sales, then I will go back, sales, go back, hospital data. Now but there is a particular challenge that I want to avoid. Now imagine I'm having up to 20 pages and then I click on the last page here and it took me to my last 28th page. Then I want to go back to the first page. That means I will have to scroll back to this first page in order to be able to navigate to my first page here. I don't want something of such to happen. So basically what I can do is I can replicate this table of contents on all the pages of my workbook. So how can I do that? Copy I will just copy all this table of content like this, Ctrl C, come to laptop sales, then come here, Ctrl V. Okay, so then we can decide to, okay, all right. Now I will do the same thing, Ctrl C, and then the last one, Okay, so we no longer need this one. We can delete this. We can delete that one. Yes. So when you click on laptop sales, I can click on laptop sales. So I'll still be on this page. When you click on sales, take me here. So from sales, I can click on employee data. It will take me here. So instead of scrolling back to my first page, I don't have to scroll back again. So right from the page where I am, I can go to any page I want. So hospital data, then agro business. Then I can just do something like this so as to show that I'm on this laptop page. I can color this laptop page, this laptop link. Okay, I can give it red. Yes. Then this sales page, red. The employee, red. Then the company profit, sorry. Then the hospital data, and then the agro business. So the moment I click on sales, as you can see, it colored my sales link red. So which means I'm on the sales page. So the moment I click on laptop sales is red. Let me, okay, and this one too. Okay. So everything will be uniform all through. Okay. So we are set. My laptop sales, company profit, so everything is set. So that's it, guys. That's how to create your side navigation bar in Excel, whether you are using the WPS Excel or the normal Microsoft Excel. So thank you. See you in my next video.